Hello, everyone. Today I want to share a small but very interesting activity and experiment that I recently decided to try. As we all know, while scrolling on our mobile phones, we often come across many videos that instantly catch our attention. In many of these videos, people show how the top parts of vegetables, which are usually thrown away after cutting, can actually be reused. They plant these leftover parts in soil and grow new vegetables or plants from them. I watched many such videos, especially about onions, garlic, mint, carrots, and radishes. After watching these videos again and again, I became really curious and thought, why not try this experiment myself? So I decided to give it a chance and see whether it really works or not. First, I took a fresh carrot and carefully cut off its top portion. Then I prepared a pot by loosening the soil properly so that the plant could settle and grow easily. After that, I placed the carrot top into the soil at a suitable depth, gently pressed the soil around it, and watered it well, just like shown in the videos. I didn't stop at just one carrot. I repeated the same process with 2 or 3 more carrot tops. Later on, I decided to try the same experiment with radish as well. I loosened the soil again, placed the top part of the radish into the pot, gently covered it with soil, and watered it properly. While doing this, I felt both excitement and curiosity. I was eager to see whether these leftover vegetable parts would actually grow again and turn into fresh vegetables. Now I am patiently waiting for the results of this experiment. If new leaves, shoots, or vegetables start growing, I will definitely share the updates and results with all of you. This experiment is not only interesting, but also teaches us an important lesson about reducing waste and reusing everyday kitchen scraps in a useful way. If you find this experiment interesting, you can also try it at home and see the results for yourself. Don't forget to share your experience too.